Before, when I would stand on one of these ties, it would kind of give up and down. After that Tamper came through, all these ties are rock solid. And the line does definitely look as straight as an arrow. I don't know, it's kind of pleasing to the eye actually. So they have the machines parked down here on the service end of it. I'm going to take advantage of it and look up close. It's windy, actually quite chilly. Looks like they're bombing some oil, perhaps. Be honest, I've never been anywhere near this close to a machine like this. Oh, hydraulic. Yeah. Stupid winds. Yeah, it's full on. Everything's hydraulic, lines everywhere. Those things do an amazing job. I can't believe the paddle part isn't all beat up. I was walking on those ties after they did this work, and they're just rock solid. If I were to set a camera up and have a train go by, it probably wouldn't pump up and down because they just felt really solidly set. The ballast gets underneath and then gets tamped down. Pretty impressive, actually. Battery, Rotella, engine oil. Laser light. Wow. Rail alignment. Halogen light bar, pinch point. Sorry about the shadow thing going on here. Didn't think of that. There's all this hydraulic fluid all over the rail. All right, man. I'll get the 360 out, and I mean the Go 3. See what's underneath all this stuff. A diagram of it. Ameritrack Rail. Marmon Rail Road Services. Can't really see where my camera's pointing, so hoping it's picking it up. Ooh, just everything hydraulic. Looks like there's where they're having some issues, maybe. Bunch of hydraulic fluid all smashed in there. Like I said, it's amazing that these paddles just the force that they can produce. I'm gonna take a look up there. It's a command chair. Hearing protection is required. I bet. Huh. Hey, let's go take a look at that. All right. Saw rocks just shooting out of this front end in action. Whoa. It's like a giant, really. They're pretty. It's amazing that they can take that kind of punishment. It's directing it looks like. Wow, check out that brake on that thing. Once again, everything hydraulic. Giant motor. Giant motor. Winch. Oh, to let these down. Let's take a keep clear while it's operating, no doubt. Man, this thing shoots the rocks out. I'm surprised that that's all, like I said, in good, decent condition. Let's take a look up. Oh, some dirty windows, unfortunately. You feel like you're on a piece of equipment when you're up here, I'll tell you that. Right on. All right, cool.